It's Energy Week here on Studio 17. Today we are talking about the future of energy and its impact on our communities. With rising costs and growing demand, local energy production plays a key role in our economy and our job growth. Joining us are Mike Umbro from Californians for Energy and Science, and we have George Harmer with us with GPS to share insights on energy policies, local development, and what it means for Kern County. Hi, gentlemen.
Hi. How are you?
Great to have you back for this Energy Week.
Absolutely. Thank you for having us back.
Yep. Okay, so I mean, we've been talking energy all week, but I mean, what is missing in this discussion? A lot of it is about, utility rates and gasoline prices, but there's more than that.
Well, it's funny that just over the last couple weeks, we've actually seen a kind of a movement from the governor and some of his stances that he's taking on energy, which, we've had a lot of discussion around that. So I think the policies, what we're seeing from our standpoint and talking with operators, is the policies in Sacramento that seems to be driving all of these, the prices of energy, the price at the pump. So there's a lot of things that's happening in Sacramento that nobody there wants to talk about.
It's important to note that Kern County, as recently as 2013, was the #1 producing county onshore for oil and gas in the country.
Wow.
So Kern County is really a place of innovation, a place of production, and now we've been stifled to where we've had 21 new wells drilled last year when we normally have well over 2,000 to 3,000 drilled per year. So it's been a total shutdown of the country's largest producing county. So that's the message that we're taking to elected officials in Sacramento and also Washington, D.C. as President Trump looks to unleash American energy.
So how do we as community members get better informed on these energy topics, especially because they seem to just be ever changing?
I think following Californians for Energy and Science, next week I'll be taking students from Taft Union High School to Sacramento. We're going to be meeting with legislators and those kids, so getting involved with Californians for Energy and Science at your local campus. But we're going to be going up there, and those questions that you asked earlier about energy costs and about policies, and Mike said that Kern County, it was a large producer of oil and gas here. Those kids are going to be asking lawmakers in Sacramento. So following Californians for Energy and Science is one way for folks to be informed.
Is that what we should do, Mike? Should we be asking our lawmakers what's going on?
Absolutely. And following the news, we just saw a recent report that Kern County is running a $9 million budget deficit this year, projected to grow to $20 million in future years, and no sign of revenue coming back to the county. And again, that goes back to shutting down local businesses, whether it's oil and gas and energy, which we play a critical role in. It filters all the way through to first responders and budgets that are being funded by the county. Now they're going to have to find tax revenue elsewhere. That typically will be passed on to residents of Kern County. So what better way than to follow the news, to follow what we're doing, to connect the dots and say, hey, if we're not producing here locally, we're simply imposing a tariff on ourselves.
Right. So what are some of the latest updates in the energy sector?
Well, I know that some of the things that have changed, CARB is kind of walking back their Clean Fleet Act that they had put in place with some of the changes in D.C. But General Production Service is still moving forward with that. We have the first E-rig that's launched here in California. It's an electric rig. The rig can work 8 hours a day without burning any diesel.
Oh, wow.
It's a 90% reduction in emissions compared to a conventional well servicing rig. So we think the future is providing the cleanest energy, which we've been doing, but having other innovations that service providers can do. I know Mike's got a project that's in the works right now of producing energy, producing oil with a 0 carbon footprint. So.
Absolutely. I think there's a lot of innovation happening, whether it's on the service side or project developers. We're developing geologic thermal energy storage with 3 national laboratories and the Department of Energy, and federal funding on its way. So there's a lot of innovation that can take place in Kern County, but it all requires permits.
Right.
It all requires vision by our elected officials, by our supervisors, by our planning department to say, hey, we need to support those that are producing clean, affordable, reliable energy here here at home and stop trusting that to foreign countries or imported products.
And I think with the permits, Mike had alluded to earlier, 21 permits last year. I think what folks can do is start reaching out to their local legislators in Sacramento. They can call CalGEM directly.
Oh, okay.
And I think they should be calling CalGEM and ask, hey, what's going on with these permits? They meet all the requirements, because we're not talking about a permit on a new well pad in a pristine pasture of land. This is an existing oil field that CalGEM has been sitting on permits since 2022. These permits have started to decline, and that's been kind of, I want to say, an arm of this administration here in California, using CalGEM that's funded by the oil producers in whole, using that to shut down essentially oil production, yet we're still importing 1.4 million barrels of oil a day. Wow. So we haven't stopped consuming oil.
Right.
We just stopped producing it. Yeah.
Okay, so this is an ever-changing landscape. How can we keep up with Californians for Energy and Science?
Our website's the easiest way, energyandscience.com, one word. You can follow us on LinkedIn and other social media, but I think our website has a box in there. You can put your name, you can put a message, we'll get back to you, and you'll be invited to all of our events.
Amazing. And George, how do we keep up with GPS?
You can go to genprod.com and find out what's going on with us. And hopefully at the end of this week, we'll have the e-rig on there so folks can see that, have some videos to show that new technology, and it's pretty cool.
Amazing. Well, thank you both for taking part in yet another Energy Week here on Studio 17. It was great to have you.
Great to be here.
Thanks for having us.
Stick around, more Studio 17 right after this.